Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the FLAMETHROWER code. If you're in the lobby on Dress to Impress, you'll see emojis on the scoreboard. I have the red heels, the blue dress, the star, the red heels again, as well as the heart shape with like twinkling lights emoji. But basically, you're going to just enter the game and you're going to find those emojis scattered everywhere. It is different for everyone, so I can't show you guys precisely where yours is. But it should look something like this. I'm just going to head over to the game and I'm going to try to find these emojis and I'm going to enter the code once I found everything. And I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so I found two of the emojis so far. One is next to the desk here, the nail art desk. So the heels equals to a 4 and the star equals to 3. I haven't found the rest yet, so I will be back when I have found everything. One thing I forgot to mention is that you can find the emoji in the lobby as well. So here I just found the dress emoji and it's 5. I just need to find one more, which is the heart emoji. Hopefully I find it soon. Okay, so I found the last emoji, which is 1. So my code would be, I'm just writing everything on my hand, no joke, this is serious. Okay, so it is 4, 5, 3, 4, 1 for me. As you can see, it's different for everybody. So let's just go to codes here and let's enter it and finally get the FLAMETHROWER redeem. Oh my god, I finally got it. Just press 1 on your keyboard and press on it to enable it. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Again, the code placements are different for everybody, as well as the numbers. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!